Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy, your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Time for another budget getaway, and this time we're at Jasper, Indiana at Providence Home Geode Grotto. One man's vision and a labor of love of many. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're at Providence Home Geode Grotto in Jasper, Indiana. It was constructed over 10 years ago on the site of a former handball court on the grounds of the Providence Home. The Geode Grotto was an idea of Father Philip, an Italian immigrant who was inspired by religious grottos in Europe. Geodes are abundant in southern Indiana, and the soft rocks with crystal-filled centers have been used locally as building and decorative materials for generations. The geodes that are in the Providence Home Grotto come from nearby Hintonville, where a ready supply was found early in the project. The main material is the local geode stones, mixed with bits of marble, carved limestone, and found objects set in poured concrete. The results covers 4 city blocks and fountains, planters, cave-like openings, and gardens. Now here's a good example of what the crystals look like on the inside of the stone. It was built between 1960 and 1970. There are 2 major shrines, the Mother of God shrine on the south end, the St. Joseph shrine in the north end. The entrance is through Mother of God shrine, just north of Providence Home or Bartley Street. The style of the grotto was intended to imitate the famous grotto of Lorenz, but as one builder put it, there were no blueprints, just inspiration. Now I really like the benches and how they use different objects in them. And if you take notice, you'll see little things inside the walls. I don't know if you noticed earlier, but there was actually a rosary bead implanted in the wall. Now as you go through, you'll notice different stages of Jesus' life portrayed in pictures and photographs. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the fountain. I know the water's green. I don't know if that's because of the coronavirus virus and things aren't being well maintained, or if it's just the heat right now. Now, I noticed this place wasn't very wheelchair friendly. I don't know if there's a way to get around here in the back and come in this way, but the entrance you see is where we actually came in at. And back here, it looks like they're going to be doing a future project and they're getting the walls ready. Now over here, I think they have like maybe church or weddings, funerals. Now here's some more of those alcoves. Like I said, I don't know if they're planning on putting things in there or not. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the altar. Now I'm not sure if they have church services here or not, but I'd guess they probably have weddings and funerals. I mean, it is a beautiful location for a wedding. Now, as you can see, it has like holes in there to run electricity for lights. So I'd guess they're planning on putting something in there in the future. I really love the way this looks. And the tiled floor reminds me of broken tiles. And they have some free information, and there was a donation box. Now I'll try to have a link to this place down below so you can get more information. Somebody left a little picture for him. Now the marble statues were imported from Italy. And if you notice, there's lights up top. Let's go ahead and see if they actually work. As you can see, the lights actually work, and I'm sure they look really beautiful at night. She sells American flag. I just love how they put some random objects in the stones and the concrete work. Okay, one final look at the grounds. Make sure to check out the links below. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.